Well, good morning, warriors. It is Monday morning, and I'm excited. The first episode of House of Bouge will be airing at 5 p.m. Pacific Coast time, 8 p.m. East Coast time. Anyways, I hope that your weekend was a really great one. I sent out a little quote today about coffee. I got mine here. You can see it as dark as it gets. I like my coffee black, dark. Just saying. Anyways, I'm also here to remind you. I heard a little ditty before my workout that it's International Fast Food Day. So, having said that, I think we need to lean into quickly getting our asses up and making ourselves a spinach, kale, ginger smoothie. I'm just saying. They don't need our money. And we don't need COVID 45. We're already working on COVID 15. So, no, we're not doing that. Fast food. That means quickly get up and go make yourself something healthy and good to eat. It could be wheat toast. Okay. Some strawberries, blueberries, great antioxidants. Did I say that correctly? I did. Probably not because I haven't had my first cafe au lait. Anyways, just wanted to shout out to the Warriors this morning and let them know that you are blessed and loved. And if you are watching this, we're in this together. You get that? We are in this together. No difference. Just maybe geographical location, but that's it. Same family woes, same heartaches, heartbreaks, same expectations, same footloose and fancy free, same wishes. Yeah, I got you. Anyways, you guys make this Monday an amazing one. Do not forget to go to Trinity Films Productions official YouTube channel. Check it out. Just a fun little ditty giving you a precursor domestic side, a little southern cuisine. For the next 5 weeks, you will see that show, House of Bouge, me and my friend Danny. And Europe will be, I think that's going to be fun, really fun. Um, this time castle style, little castles, some driving through the Rhine. Good stuff. I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's get it. Anyways, you guys have an amazing morning. Like, share, subscribe. Do this, okay? Because I'm loving you, so show me some love, people. That's all I'm saying. All right, I've spent too much time taking up your time, and I need, want, hope, everything good for you today. We're not going to go beyond today because we're not promised it. So today only. Okay? So go out there and get it. All right. See you soon. Ciao.